I finally made it. I'm really starting to think taking walks is my way of relaxing, like walking and working out. I have to put the hair up. Y'all know my hair does not act right sometimes. And now that it's humid, But y'all, so I'm really in the mood to travel somewhere. And I just don't know exactly where though. I kind of want to go somewhere, maybe like a beach or something. Which beach? I have no idea. But I'm definitely wanting to go to a beach. Oh, look at the little turtle. Hold on, I'm gonna see if y'all can see. See him straight chilling. But yeah, so that's what I think I'm gonna do. But okay, if I go to a beach, I have to get a new refrigerator first because mine, I don't know what happened to it. When I went on my trip to the casino, it worked. So when I came back, it stopped cooling. So it's like, what the heck? And I have no warranty, so I just have to get a new one. But I need to get that. I still don't have a fan in my van. And I know people are gonna be like, you crazy. That should have been one of the first things you did. Yes, it should have been, but again, I'm doing this myself. I did not trust myself to cut a hole in my roof. I did see someone else though who had one and they actually attached it to the back window. So I'm thinking I kind of want to do that. I can't tell if he was trying to throw up a sign or something or what, because his hand was coming down as he passed. I'm gonna have to watch that back. YouTubers, like, why didn't y'all let me know the truth before I started this? What I mean by that is y'all make it look so easy. Okay. Editing, that takes me days upon days to get it the way I like to, first off. And then actually having to go out and shoot. That's another thing. But then when you're out shooting, you can't be worried about like other people who are watching you. I have to get used to that still. People will literally just post up and watch you. And it's kind of like, all right. But I do have a camera, I get it. I didn't know that my arm was gonna hurt this much from holding this camera up, okay? I didn't realize I was gonna look this greasy on camera all the time. A little less now, but I still, you know. I didn't realize I was gonna get used to looking a mess on camera. Like, look at this hair. Look at it. It's a bird's nest, you know? It's like I'm one with the jungle. This is a workout, okay? Not only am I walking, I'm holding this and I have to talk at the same time. 5 years ago, this would have been nothing, but in my 30s, I swear I thought my mama was lying. Watch, when you hit 30, girl, please look at this. And then I hit 30 and it's like, fudge. I can't do it anymore. Like right now, y'all, right now, people just staring at me, hardcore. And they trying to look at me like I could tell on their face. They trying to see if I'm somebody or not. You know what I mean? Oh, hold on, let me show you. Her, she was looking like, do I recognize her? Them two right there. When they saw me, they were like, do you know her? Like, is she somebody? Yes. Maybe to the world not now, but I mean, whatever, I've always been somebody. What? But yeah, so have to get used to that. I mean, it's a process, it's a journey. Pretty sure most people who started out doing YouTube and stuff like that have people watching them thinking they weird. And it's like, all right, whatever. And I think I have a long walk ahead of me, like, I don't think I thought this through. That's okay. I'm working it. I'm working it out. I think I walked a little too far because it's not even a lot of people down here. Look. Ain't nobody behind me anymore. Y'all, I don't know. It do feel a little creepy down here. It could just be because, look, it is gray out here. You know, it's been raining and stuff, so I don't know, but Like, I don't want to say I'm scared in the daytime. What was it? I swear something just hit my head. I swear something just hit my head. Stop. I just got smacked by a leaf. Smacked the mess out of me. I got a leaf on the back. Like, nature is so disrespectful. So disrespectful. Alright, y'all. So it's kind of windy, so I don't know if you can hear me, but I think I walked too dang far. I can see the highway. I didn't park anywhere by the highway. Let me show you. Hold on. Yeah. So I definitely think I walked too far. And I kind of want to just keep going, like go around, but I really wasn't trying to do that. I walked my 1.5 miles already, so I don't know, you guys. I think I should keep walking. Wind is blowing hard as heck. I'm gonna keep walking for a little bit. Don't know if y'all can hear me, but keep walking for a little bit, and then I'm gonna turn around, because I mean, yeah, I don't. This is where we are now. Yeah. Why I feel like my sense of direction is off now. I'm from here. I'm supposed to know where. This way. It's this way, y'all. I want to explore a little bit, which I hardly ever do, so let's go. So I'm walking down here. Yeah, don't this look like where a lot of shootings happen in movies and shows and stuff? Under a bridge. Okay, y'all, so I'm back to walking, and I feel like I'm about to start sweating and my underarms are hot. Yeah, this jacket gonna have to come off. So this is where I'm at now. Still walking. Yeah, but like for real, y'all, right here is sore. All right here, it hurts. Hold on, I have to take this off. It's hot. All right, guys, let's continue on. At least my underarms can breathe now, so that's good. But I need to Google how long this walk is I'm taking. Now that just looked like hell no. Look at that shit. We're not doing that. We blind. At first I was about to say, hey, let me walk down. Horror movies don't end well for us, so I'm just gonna stay on the path. Alright, y'all, so I'm about to have to turn this off. My arms hurt again. Sorry, because I know I keep saying that, but it's real life, it's facts. See y'all in a second. Other side now, y'all. Got to jog a little bit. I don't know how this gonna work, but it's a little heavy, and it's camera. This takes too long. Yeah. Let's jog. Jogging didn't last that long, yeah. Jogging didn't last that long. Look at this. How far I have to go. Positivity. I'm gonna be positive. Hey y'all, so if you're seeing this recording, that means I probably didn't make it through the rest of this walk. So if you find this video, just know hard. Try to be a good person. Just don't. Thank you for the support. Really, y'all, I'm just on a sidewalk now. Not even on a path anymore. Not even on a path anymore. It's just a sidewalk. Because I know exactly where I'm at. Let's keep going. So, y'all remember when I told y'all I don't quite think things through? This is one of the moments. This is one of the moments. Yeah.
Phone died.
Look at this. I think they unarmed her like mine. Bro, that thing, I'm not gonna lie, my heart beat far fast. That thing started walking toward me. I done got chased and beat up by birds before. I'm not like for real. And I was downtown when that happened. Maybe by next year I'll be back. So guys, I think I'm on day 396. I think it all makes sense to me now. Okay guys, this is day 415. Alright y'all, so this is where I slept last night. Day 533. We're still trying to get out of here. I think we might be close, y'all. Come on. Let's see if we can make it. Let's see if we can finish this thing out. Come on. Y'all can make it. Come on. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall. Watch out. Alright, come on. Nope. Y'all, tell me that part right there don't look like a little scene like it's from Eve's Bayou. Ain't this where they had the snake at? Watch your back. I think this is help, you guys. Help me, please. No help. I found some leaves to eat. It's not much. Right now. I'm still walking. I'm thirsty now. I'm over this right now. I'm over it. I'm so over it. Hey y'all, so electronics no longer work, I don't think. Except for this camera. Look, all the bikes. You know. I don't even know how much longer this is gonna work. I mean, guys. Day 612. Still going. So y'all, all jokes aside, I really am tired and I've been walking for a minute. It's like 2 hours. My feet hurt. I had to take a breather. I had to take a breather. I am just tired, y'all. I think we can do this now. Back to it. I got this, you got it. We're in the third act now. We are in the third act now, baby. I have the energy back. I have the energy back. Let's go. I feel like I'm gonna be walking till I'm 80. Day 800. And we're finally, we made it, y'all. Y'all see? I think I've lost weight and everything. There's my baby. Journey, I'm coming. Hi. I miss you, Journey. If you can't tell, I'm hurt. I'm hurt. I look like I'm hurt. I'm walking like I'm hurt. bottom of my feet hurt really bad. Yeah, I don't never need to do this again. And you know what? I'm tired. We cutting through. They're my third here. Cutting through. I'm not walking around. Oh my gosh. I'm about to pass out. I'm home. Oh. You know. Oh my gosh. I just need a second. I need a second before I try to drive, y'all. I can't. There's no way. Ain't no dang way. Hold on, let me lock the doors. Just don't nobody bother me. But hold on, I gotta. Oh my god. I just want to sleep. I just want to sleep right now. Don't let me do that again. Where's my water? Much better, much better. Oh, my camera even leaning. I need air. I'm tired, man. I'm sore. I get like my feet hurt. I'm gonna take these off right now because I mean. Oh, my feet. Oh my goodness. Oh, just good. Got a little cushion, but oh my gosh. It ain't even a joke, y'all. It is not a joke. It's not a joke. I'm tired. I'm gonna rest for a little bit and then I'll see y'all in a little bit, alright? I just need a minute. I just need a minute. Is that thing looking like that? Is that a shadow of it? What is that? Okay, bye. Hey y'all, so it's later in the day. I'm back in the van. I'm not gonna lie, it started raining, so I kind of just parked and slept for a while, you know, kind of relaxed a little bit. And then I was looking through my footage and saw some of my footage is in slow-mo. So yeah, I've been trying to figure that out. But it's okay. I'm still having a great night and it's gonna continue. I'm not letting stuff get me down like that anymore. So, if y'all made it this far in the video, I wanted to say thank you so much. And y'all know I'm gonna ask y'all to do me a little favor, right? So go ahead and subscribe, drop a comment, like it, turn on your post notifications, and I will see y'all in the next video. Good night, y'all.